Hello lovers of liberty. So today is my 29th birthday, and to celebrate I decided to treat myself to the loveliest of cakes. I wanted to make a cake that was colorful, that was decadent, that was creamy, that was cheesy, that was all the things that I am. Creamy, cheesy, colorful, moist, all of those things. So join me as I assemble my birthday cake, my 29th birthday cake. But before I do that, obviously, you hear them swarming, right? Bees are notified. Now here we come on our throne sitting high. Follow my parade up, my parade. You have to see it come together. Oh, look at that. Guys, my cake is done, and how amazing! Oh my gosh, I'm so chuffed on myself.
Drip on me and honey come around my way, around my house. Whenever mama says so, mama said, here we come on our throne sitting high. Follow my parade, my parade. Talking split to my goal. Lift that lip like that goal. You hear them swarming right. Bees is notified. Here we come, gonna throw sitting high. Follow my parade, la parade.